If your computer is hanging or running slow, don't skip this video. Even one step can change everything. Most slow computers are not damaged. Full storage, hidden files, and background apps cause the issue. Watch till the end, follow every step, and learn how to clean your PC and make it fast again. Without further ado, let's dive in. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Start 2.0. Let's go to Google and search for WMaster Cleanup. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of WMaster Cleanup, an all-in-one Windows cleaner and optimizer. Clean, speed up, and protect your PC for free. Ultimate disk cleanup tool to clean junk files, free up disk space, protect your privacy, and improve the performance of your PC effortlessly and free. Enjoy your faster, safer PC with WMaster Cleanup in one click. From here, we can download WMaster Cleanup for free. This is a limited time offer, so you can use it for free. Here we can discover free PC Cleaner remarkable features at a glance. Here we can find features such as disk cleanup, clean C drive, software management, delete duplicate files, clean cache, disk space analyzer, clean browser cache, and PC optimizer. We can use all these features for free for a limited time. You can avail this amazing opportunity. With the help of WMaster Cleanup, we can do disk cleanup, in-depth disk cleanup to free up storage. Here we can also find different features of this amazing advanced tool. WMaster Cleanup is the best Windows cleaner and optimizer to speed up your PC for free. Now go to the top and head over to download now. Once our application is downloaded successfully, let's open it. Here we can see our application. Now here we can find features such as PC optimizer, clean C drive, clean privacy, disk analyzer, uninstall app, and more features. We can also see recommended features of this amazing tool. In this video, we will discuss only two main parts of this tool. The first one is clean C drive and another is uninstall apps. Click on clean C drive. Here we can see free up disk space to speed up your computer, full cleanup, deep cleaning unnecessary files on the system disk, big file transfer, moving large files and software in one click. Now to clean up our computer system, simply click on Scan Now. Here we can see the scanning has started. WMaster Cleanup will start scanning the software. Now let's open PC. Here we can see in our drive there is 17 GB free space. Once the scanning is complete, here we can see 53 GB junk files. From here, we can select files that we want to delete and clean up our space according to our needs. Once everything is done, click on Clean. It asks for confirmation. Please confirm before cleaning. From here, let's click on Clean. After that, WMaster Cleanup will start the cleaning process. It takes a few seconds to clean the C drive. Here we can see 7.8 GB has been released. Now let's open PC. Here we can see there is 21 GB free now. With the help of this amazing tool, we can clean our C drive effortlessly. Now let's discuss the second feature, uninstall application. Click on uninstall application. After that, at the right side of the canvas, we can see the application IRT Image Enhancer. Now we want to uninstall this application completely. Here we can see with the help of WMaster Cleanup, we can completely remove programs effortlessly. We can delete all installed programs in one click. Scan to check the status of our installed programs. We can force uninstall, remove persistent programs, and prevent automatic reinstallation. Now click on Scan. WMaster Cleanup will start scanning for local software information. Once scanning is completed, here we can find 75 programs found, total size of 21.6 GB. Below, we can find all the applications that are installed in our system. Now we can uninstall applications according to our needs. I will uninstall IRT Image Enhancer. For that purpose, click on Uninstall. WMaster Cleanup will start processing to uninstall the application. Here, IRT Image Enhancer asks for confirmation for uninstallation. Click on Uninstall. It takes a few seconds to uninstall the application. Once it's done, click on Finish. We can see at the right side of the canvas, the application is uninstalled. Now we can also remove IRT Image Enhancer files. Simply click on Uninstall. It takes a few seconds to delete. Once deletion is completed, we can see the application is uninstalled successfully with system files effortlessly. That's how you clean and optimize your PC using WMaster Cleanup. Download it for free using the link in the description. Try this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.